Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us prepare sweet groundnut modak. For the stuffing we need a cup of groundnut. Dry roast this well. The groundnuts are ready. Here you can see the change of color. At this stage you can take it out. Let it cool down. Now we have to remove the skin, so crush the groundnut with your hands. Doing this you can easily remove the skin. Once you have crushed the groundnuts with your hands, give a nice blow to remove the skin. Our groundnuts are ready. Let us transfer this into a mixie jar. Grind this coarsely. To this add 1 cup of jaggery. After this, just don't grind too much. Grind this until everything gets mixed well. This is perfect. It has to be like this. So here our stuffing is ready. Our next step is take 1 cup of rice flour. To this add the required amount of salt. Now start adding hot water little by little and give a nice mix. Add enough water and make a soft dough out of this. Once the heat is bearable, you can use your hand. Here our dough is ready. Whatever mold you are using, grease it with oil. Now take enough dough and spread it over the mold. Place some stuffing in the middle. Close this and remove the excess. So here the modak is ready to be cooked. I'm going to use an idli steamer to steam this, and you can use any kind of steamer. Steam cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. Here the groundnut modak or groundnut Kolukattai is ready. We can take it out. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.